The 3 local COVID alert levels you should know about are as follows: Tier 1 medium, Tier 2 high, and Tier 3 very high. The 3 tiered alert level systems correspond with both reported data on COVID-19 virus rates in a local area and to a particular set of legal restrictions and government guidance applicable to one of the 3 designated tiers. Tier 1 local COVID alert level medium means current national restrictions continue. These restrictions include the 10 PM hospitality sector curfew for restaurants, pubs and takeaways, with takeaways allowed to continue after 10 PM only as a delivery service or a drive-through. The rule of 6 continues, permitting individuals from 6 different households to socialise at home, including the garden, and in venues such as restaurants and pubs. Exceptions to the rule of 6 remain in Tier 1 local areas to allow for larger gatherings, including for funerals with limited mourners at the cemetery, for weddings with limited guests at the wedding ceremony and reception, and for organised outdoor sports allowing for team games. Tier 2 local COVID alert level high means the following localised restrictions apply: prohibiting different households socialising indoor in homes, the 10 PM hospitality sector curfew for restaurants and pubs with takeaways allowed to continue after 10 PM only as a delivery service or a drive-through, the rule of 6 permitting individuals from 6 different households to socialise only outdoors or in private gardens. Exceptions to the rule of 6 remain to allow for larger gatherings in Tier 2 local areas, include for funerals with limited number of mourners at the cemetery, for weddings with limited guests at the wedding ceremony and reception, and for organised outdoor sport to allow for team sport. Tier 3 local COVID alert level very high means the following baseline restrictions apply: prohibiting all household socialising indoors and outdoors, including private gardens and most hospitality venues, closing venues such as pubs and bars unless they can operate as a restaurant as a main meal, the 10 PM hospitality sector curfew for restaurants and pubs, with takeaways allowed to continue after 10 PM only as a delivery service or a drive-through. Larger gatherings are permitted in some circumstances in Tier 3 local areas, including for funerals with limited mourners at the cemetery, for weddings with limited guests at the wedding ceremony, but where wedding receptions are banned, for organised outdoor sport to allow for team games. Guidance advising local people not to leave their Tier 3 local area or stay overnight other than in their home unless reasonably necessary. Venues such as retail shops, schools, universities and places of worship are generally unaffected by the 3-tier alert level. However, government in consultation with local authorities can also enact further restrictions above the baseline of Tier 3, including closing venues such as schools and universities, restaurants and tourist attractions and leisure centres, and or to issue local guidance to advise particular groups to self-isolate, like students at particular halls of residence, or employees to work from home if they can. Please check the government website to find out your local COVID alert level is and the range of restrictions that apply to your area. Your local area designated tier is reviewed regularly and expires if not renewed in 6 months. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Community Legal Education to be the first to watch our short legal video explainers. Stay safe and may the justice be with you.